Saul hasn't. I want to talk about Saul.
Uthini
Saul is my is a person I know. I just didn't like how he went about. I know they spoke about this before. So first of all, ang shayanga lo muntu because of podcasting. I just want to correct that. And he's got my numbers. I really like Saul. If we are born, he must not imfethu. Literally, mfana ukuthi bekumele ungifonele. Yabona bese ukhulume nami. Ngoba I have kids, like I'm saying.
What did Saul say?
He went on to say it's a lot. Just watch the podcast. So bekumele akhulume nami yena noKhosi Lady because they were calling me to the podcast that time and then I did not have time. I was not in a good space to go.
Yeah.
Then I was in a good space. I called them. Okay, now I can come. So instead of bringing me to the podcast, they take a story and they make it up and stuff like that. I'm just disappointed in Saul because he's somebody I know. Every time, no matter keep a podcast in they talk, he's always talking nice things about me. Right now, I'm not saying he should have said nice things about me, but he should call me and get the facts. You understand? Because you can't spread rumors like that. You understand?
Ish.
Because me, I'm politics. I'm not a person. So man to man, because I tried calling you, did not. I think you're busy. Man to man, Fanagoti, you were supposed to call me, and in Amman you can still call me more tolale and those. Siring poison because we're now spread a rumor and in a big platform ganjalo is not nice.